friends, and welcome back to the channel for today, Wednesday, with a rare midweek video. But the rare midweek videos are going to become less rare. I'm going to be rolling out something new starting next Wednesday, but we're not going to get into that today. Now, today, the very important meat and potatoes of this video is the 400 subscriber giveaway. That's right, we are closing in on 400 subscribers. We have practically done it, and I couldn't do this without you guys. I really couldn't. The wet shaving community has been a very important part of my life for the last 6 years, and then the last 3 years on the YouTube sphere. And you know, I really do enjoy making these videos. I love interacting with everybody, and you know, it just makes me feel good to be able to put the videos out and have people interact down in the comments section, enjoy the videos, enjoy the products, and the little tips and tricks that I could pass along the way. So I've been talking to my good friend Randy at First Canadian, and here's what we are going to do for you. The contest rules are extremely simple. First off, you have to be a subscriber. This is open to subscribers only, so please hit that subscribe button and then ring the little bell. And other than that, once that's done, all you have to do is comment in the video down below, "I'm in." Tell me what part of the wet shaving community you like the best, and I want to know what your favorite razor is, whether it's a double-edged safety razor, a straight razor, a shavette, a single edge, heck, even a cartridge razor. It's, to quote the great Christopher David Bailey, it's your shave, do it your way. Whatever part of shaving and whichever razor you like to use the best, I would like to know. And really, that's it. That's all you have to do to enter this giveaway. And you may be asking yourself, but you haven't said what the giveaway is yet. No, I haven't. So here's what it is. I am going to, Randy and I are going to give to you a First Canadian shave soap set of your choice. So that will be the soap, that will be the matching splash, and I'm going to pay for the shipping. And this is open worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you live, as long as you have a valid shipping address and you have fulfilled the requirements for the contest, you're gonna win, if your name is picked, a First Canadian shave soap completely free of charge. And so that's what I'm offering to you, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. And going forward, I know I kind of slacked off a bit in the last couple milestones, so going forward, every 100 subs there will be a giveaway, and it might, and it will likely change. We'll highlight some different artisans. So that's what we're gonna do. And yeah, so I'm gonna run this for 2 weeks. The reason why Randy's been waiting to get some stuff from his suppliers and get his label making back up and running through his label supplier. Thankfully, all that has been taken care of. He now has access to his labels. He has soap tubs. He has the ingredients, so he's ready to start soaping. So check out the website in the description down below, First Canadian Shave. You'll see the soaps that are there. There are a few that are sold out, but he is working at getting everything restocked. That's why we're going to give the 2 weeks to get everything taken care of, and then you should have your free reign and your pick if you're the lucky winner of the soap set of your choice. So that's it, guys. Thanks again for the support. I really do appreciate it. Like I said, this community is a very big part of my life, and to be able to do a small give back is just incredible. So thank you once again, and so that's it. So except run this for 2 weeks, and then we'll close it out, and I will do I'll do a random draw with a comment picker. So that's it until Saturday, my friends. Be safe, be kind to one another, and most importantly, have a great day and even better shave. And we'll see you in the next one. Ciao.